Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have your release ready. Now act. Sign into Distrokid, go to Releases and pick the specific release you want to register for Content ID. Once selected, choose the Content ID or YouTube Money add-on option. This is how Distrokid links your audio to video uses. Upload the final master file if prompted and confirm SRC and metadata so matches are accurate. Do this now because incorrect metadata delays claims and revenue collection. Accuracy equals faster payouts. Once the add-on is enabled, you must configure how Content ID treats your work. Go through territory restrictions and decide whether to block, track, or monetize matches. Pick Monetize if you want revenue. Next, confirm rights owner details and properly assign splits for collaborators so earnings route correctly. If you have alternate mixes, instrumentals, or stems, upload them too. These improve match accuracy. Make sure files match metadata exactly, because mismatches lead to missed claims and disputed matches. Finish by confirming and saving your Content ID submission. Processing can take days to weeks, so be patient. Once active, monitor the Distrokid dashboard and YouTube Match reports to verify claims and revenue. If something is wrong, no matches, wrong owner, or missing revenue, first recheck metadata, SRC, and uploaded masters. Small typos cause big problems. If those are correct, re-upload the correct files or contact Distrokid support with clear examples. That troubleshooting step usually resolves the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.